Design a flag for Arbroath2020+1. First activity, make a flag from collage. What you will need to make a flag are scissors, black pens, pencils, glue and a straight edge. You'll also need plain and scrap paper and the printout template to create your own collage flag. Cut out or create your own shapes, then glue to the paper. Try drawing over the shapes to create a new pattern. Continue to cut out more shapes and add to your flag. Lay drawings and shapes together. Sticking them down and rearranging until you've created a design for your flag. You will end up with your very own unique flag. Next activity, draw a flag using a grid. First draw a grid lightly in pencil. Mark 19 centimeters across the top and 28 down the sides. Draw lines across the paper matching the centimeter marks. Now start to draw in pencil the outline of your flag design. Use the grid to help you create shapes. Now, draw over the outlines in black pen. You can now start to fill in the shapes with a black felt tip or crayon. Colour the shapes in carefully. Keep inside your lines. And there you have your own drawn flag design. Have fun and happy making.